Exterminate! Exterminate! By your command. Put $10,000 in the Space Mark 227 at the local bus station.
Greetings, programs. Atari here, you there, and if you enjoy messing around in the shop and building goofy projects, learning about electronics, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, blah, 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 blah. And for now, rally ho! Hey, you remember this guy from a little while ago? Yes, this is my 2XL voice assistant robot build that I'm still working on, and it's time to get into part 2, which is to do a lot of cleanup and make him kind of sound more like a robot than what he currently sounds like now. So I have never built a voice changing circuit before, so this is entirely new to me, and as a tactile learner, I really have to put my hands on something in order to understand how it works. So I picked up this little gem. This is the Velleman Mini Voice Changer Kit. It's just a simple little build that will do different voice effects, and I kind of want to put that together and see how it works and get an idea of the logic behind it, and then I can go and design my own. So let's take it over to the solder bench and put this thing together. Okay, so I got my kit out. It's the board. It is a bunch of passives and a couple of ICs. This project is built off of the HT8950A voice modulator and the LM386N low power audio amplifier chip. So these will be the heart of the build, and then everything else is just circuitry. So let's start getting this put together. I haven't knolled anything out. It's kind of nice. I have like a nice set of instructions here, step by step. So it all looks okay. I like how there's a nice diagram here of how the whole thing works too. That will help me with reverse engineering it later. But yeah, let's start here at step 1 with the resistors. We'll just get those guys out and start working on it.
When ready.
right, now we are ready to test this thing out. So I don't have a 9-volt battery on me, so I'm just going to use a good old bench supply here. Speaker hooked up appropriately, I believe, yes. 9 volts here, and hopefully this thing doesn't just blow up in my face. So hold on to your butts. Power switch. Okay, now. Okay, all right. All right, it's doing something. I think I need to change. I turn the volume down and mess with the microphone sensitivity. So let's try that. Okay. Oh, there's so much feedback. There's a lot of feedback. Try to take that a little further away.
Okay, now. Alright, that seems to be working. Remember me, Eddie? When I killed your brother, I talked just like this! Oh dear. Okay, what about the vibrato? Mr. Blue Sky. There we go. Well, hello there! Oh, it's more like a chipmunk, but you get the idea, at least. Hello. By your command, exterminate! So it seems to work.
It seems to be working now. So I will be messing around with this circuit a little later on for the rest of the Project Mego. So stick around for that. In the meantime, social media over here, subscribe down here. Here is a video that YouTube thinks you will probably enjoy, and you can check out the show notes for this episode right around here. My name is Atari, and until next time, remember, it's okay. It's just a prototype. Rally ho, y'all.